Hello everyone and welcome to this very important episode of my Git series, and that is Git branching. Branching is such a powerful feature in Git, and knowing how to take advantage of that will streamline your development process immensely. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Generally speaking, branch is an independent line of development. By default, when you initiate a Git repository, you are given a master branch, which is your main line of development. Over time, you introduce changes to your project. In Git language, we would say that you're making so-called commits. But there comes a point when you need to branch your work into another line of development. Say that you're working on a new feature and you want to isolate it from master. Thus, you're creating a so-called topic branches. If we were to look under the hood, a branch is simply a movable pointer to a certain commit that captures current state of your project. Say that your master branch has already some commits on it, and we create another branch based on master. This new branch is just a new pointer to the same commit. So, how does Git know what branch we're currently on? This is solved using a special pointer called head. Okay, so let's move to the terminal and play a bit with it. I'm here in my Git tutorial repo that we used in the previous videos already, and the very first command that we're going to learn is to list local branches. So to achieve that, we use the git branch command. As you can see, we have only one branch called master, which is created once you initiate a Git repository. The star symbol next to the branch indicates the branch we're currently on. If we add -a option to this command, we'll see branches available on the remote server as well, so-called remote branches. Okay, so how do we create a new branch? We do this using git branch command, but this time we specify the name of our new branch. So I'm gonna call it feature. Now when we rerun git branch command, again you can see that we have our feature branch. So we have these two branches, but let's learn how to switch between branches. So we have two ways for doing it, and the first way is to use the old syntax called git checkout. So I'm gonna say git checkout feature, and this will allow us to switch to this feature branch. Now when we rerun git branch, you can see that our star symbol is next to the feature branch. So what if we wanted to get back to master branch? We can use the newer syntax, I believe available from Git 2.23, and we provide the name of our branch. When we rerun git branch command, you can see that we are back on master. So now let's learn how to create a branch and switch to it automatically in one step. So I'm going to clear this, and to do that we can use git checkout command with -b option, and here we provide the name of our branch. So I'm going to call it topic 1. You can see that we switch to this new branch, and our star symbol is now next to topic 1. So let's take a look at the newer syntax as well, and this is called git switch with -c option, and we're gonna call it topic 2. So if we when we rerun git branch again, you can see that we are on topic 2 branch. At the beginning I mentioned that branch is just a pointer pointing to a certain commit. So let's see this in the git log. I'm gonna clear this, and we can use git log command with two options called one line and decorate. So I'm gonna do that right now, one line, decorate, to clearly see where our head pointer points to. So as you can see, our head pointer points to topic 2 branch, and this means once again that we are on branch 2. We have these other branches here as well at the same level, and this basically means that all these branches that are on this level point to the same commit. Okay, so let's make some changes now and commit them on the topic branch. I'm gonna clear this, and let's take a look here. We're gonna modify a readme file. I'm gonna simply append some text at the end of the file. Let's call it learning branching in Git. And obviously we need to stage it and commit it, so I'm gonna do it in one step. Git commit -a-m. We specify the message of our commit, modified readme-md. So when we run now git log command with these two options, you can see that our topic2 branch is ahead of these other branches. And now, as well, you can see the head pointer. It still points to the topic2 branch. We haven't switched our branches. But let's see now actually how we can see the difference between our current branch and another branch. For example, let's say that we wanted to compare master to topic2. So we can use git log command as well, and we can say git log master dot topic2, and we will see this difference between these two commits. So this commit is on our topic2 branch, but it's not on our master branch. Okay, so let's clear this and let's switch back to master, and we're gonna use the newer syntax, git switch. So as I said, our master branch is now behind topic2 branch, and let's actually run git log with one line and decorate options again, and you can see that now our pointer points back to this commit. So we can take a look here. The commit started with 7, and down below here it starts with 2. So that's the difference. And as I said, branches are pointers that points to different commits. So let's make some changes on this branch as well. And now I'm gonna say test file, some text. I'm gonna save it and exit, and again we're gonna comment this now on the master branch, modified test file. So effectively now we have, let's rerun git log. You can see that now our branch advanced, so we have one commit more, and effectively we have now changes. Our two branches diverged. Topic2 branch is different from master and vice versa. So we have some changes which are on topic2 and not on master, and vice versa. So in the next video, we'll go through a scenario in which we'll learn how to merge changes between branches. But to sum up, branch is simply a line of development that captures current state of your project. In Git, branches are super lightweight since they are just pointers to certain commits. You can list branches using git branch command. To create a new branch, you use git branch command. If you want to create a new branch and automatically check out to that branch, you use either git checkout-b command or git switch-c command. If you want to switch branches, you use either git checkout command or git switch command. Nice command for checking where our head pointer points to is to use git log with these two options, one line and decorate. Okay, that'd be it for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please help me reach more people by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, stay safe and have a great day.